Welcome back everyone. So today I'm just doing a quick installation video on how to change the headlight bulbs in the standard 453 headlights, whether it be the Fortwo or the Forfour. It's exactly the same. I had a lad named Josh drop a comment in my last video just asking on how to do it, so here we are. So as always, if there is any questions or comments, you know, leave them in the comments section. I will leave an email address in the details section. So if you want to drop me an email, ask any questions, and I'll try and get back to you as quick as possible. So with the headlight bulbs, you're going to need the H4 headlight bulbs. They are the dual bulb, which is high beam, low beam. I'm using Osram Daybreakers. I think I've got the 200 series. There is sort of the 150 series as well. It's just whether it's 150 or 200 times brighter than the standard bulb. Obviously it won't be, however they will be brighter and hopefully slightly clearer than the standard bulb. I'll do the video as we go along. I'll take some pictures as well at the end and then try and drop the pictures in as I go along, as always, just to make it a bit clearer. But yeah, as always, any questions or comments, drop me a comment and I'll get back to you as quick as possible. Let's see how we get on. First of all, we obviously need to release the bonnet, which is just these tabs on the side there that you pull. I'll try and get this video done before I lose all the light this evening. Same on this side. If it doesn't come loose, there is a little socket there where you put your key in, which is to lock the bonnet in place. Then all you're going to do is pull it forward and then it will unhook and rest on the straps. I'll just show you. So on here, obviously you've got the straps either side. Now on the Forfour, you've only got 2 bolts, one this side, one on the other side. On the Fortwo, you do have 4. I'm going to remove them just for ease. Now it's a 10mm socket, just to undo that. So I'm going to do that, and when you do that, just on the washer fluid pipe there, you just pull that off as well. The bonnet, the cover's off. What you have then is this there is just the cover, and you should just be able to just push it back, give it a wiggle and pull it up. So once you pulled the cover off, what you can see is you've got obviously the electrical cable here and then the bulb, and the bulb's held in by the brass clip that you can see there. Basically what you need to do first of all is just take hold of the black plastic connector, give it a wiggle and pull it loose, and then with the bronze clip, it's held on. I can't see if I can, just at the top where my finger is, there is a little clip. So what you need to do is push the clip forward and then out to the outside of the car, and then it'll pop back. But what I will do is I will take a picture of that and just show you, and then that should release the bulb. Once you've released the bronze clip, as you can see just at the top there, just under there, you can see where the little hook is. So like I say, push the bronze clip at the top forward, out to the side, and then it will unhook, and then just fold it down below the bulb, and then it's just a case of just sliding the bulb out and placing the new one in. What I would say, obviously, with the new bulbs is whatever you do, do not touch the actual glass part of the bulb, because your grease and that on your fingers will cause the bulb to blow. So these are the new bulbs that I'm going to be using. I say there's Osram Night Breakers. They are the 200s, but they do a 150 as well. I bought these online. I think I paid about £20 on Amazon. You can get them on most places, eBay, Amazon, Halfords and other places like that. Okay, so with the new bulbs, as you can see, you've got the 3 tabs. You've got 2 smaller ones at the bottom there and the big square one at the top. So that is going to go in at the 12 o'clock position and the uppermost. All you're going to do is slide it straight into the bulb holder. Just carefully just hold the back of the prongs and then just put the bronze clip back as you put it on. So slide it forward out towards the outside of the car, push it forward to the front of the car, and then just clip it underneath the little hook at the front. Okay, so that's the new bulb pushed in place. Anything you need to do now is obviously just push the electrical connector back on the back, put the cover back on, and that's that done. Okay, so on the UK car, so the driver's side, you have to push the clip forward and to the outside of the car. On the passenger side, you have to push the clip forward and then push it in the same direction, so towards the driver's side. If you can see the sort of centre of the picture, the clip sort of points off to the right. So both times when you push it forward, if you're looking down on the bulbs, you push the clip forward and then move the brass clip off to the left as you're looking down, or towards the driver's side, on both sides. And that's it with the new bulbs fitted. They're a lot brighter than the originals, which are slightly more orange. These are slightly whiter, slightly bluer in colour. Well, that's the end of the video. As always, I hope it was useful. If it was, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. I've got quite a few more videos coming up. As always, any questions, queries, or comments, please leave them in the comment section, and I will get back to you as quick as possible. I also will put a email address in the details section, so if you wish to drop me an email, please do, and I will get back to you as quick as I can. If not, I will see you in the next video. Catch you later.